so what I did to have a drive shaft made was to actually get it lengthened is a little harder than shortening, because shortening you can just take some out of the tube, but lengthening it you actually have to get a longer tube. So I went to the local pick and pull, found a longer drive shaft of the same diameter, and was able to have that one shortened, and they put my yokes on the end. So we will be putting it in, and hopefully I measured right and it all fits. Okay, seems to line right up. Fits in there real nice and fits over here pretty nice. So as you can see, my carrier bearing is kind of lining up with the holes there. So what I'm going to do is find the bolts, get them loosely started in there, and then I'll put in the tail shaft. Alright, the other half of the drive shaft is in. Alright, what are we up to, Matt?
Well, it's a great question, because who knows?
Who knows, right?
Essentially, we have put the transmission back in, bolted that up. Marshall figured out getting a drive shaft made for the actual Franken whatever we got going on here. That's all been put in. Pretty sure we showed you the start of this and that. Got a cross brace back in. Now is basically starting it, seeing if it'll move, whether or not I'll do that. And there's also some other things we probably should check out that I'm just now thinking of, like, you know, electrical stuff, because we changed out the whole steering column and everything else.
Yeah,
we probably should make sure that it's gonna work, because considering, you know, like, it's nighttime.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's get things situated and let's do that, huh?
Oh, I think you should show them the interior first that we put in.
Oh, yeah.
We got, what, 90% of the interior in now?
Nah, I don't know, 90%, okay. But there's
70%.
There's some interior in
yeah,
there.
So we got the bench seat in. It's all nice and clean. Matt cleaned it up. And we got the whole, like, front part of the dash in. Cleaned up the front of the cluster there, so it's like, looks brand new. And yeah, it's all back to brown now instead of the black that it was.
And no carpet, but
no carpet
we'll
yet.
get there.
And the dash around the shifters and any yet.
There's some fine tuning, but we'll get there. But yeah, so let's see where things go. If they go. So here's the first thing I wanted to check. I almost closed the hood. Pull that latch.
Oh.
Make sure this works first. I mean, I think it'll be all right.
Oh, it came up?
Yeah, I think we'll be. We should be all right.
There's only 3 sets of keys.
See, you should leave the wrong set of keys out always on the dash, so if somebody tries to steal it, they can't steal it, you know?
That'd be pretty funny. The lights.
Okay, that's good. Blinker.
Oh, wait, that one. Okay. That's not good. What was that?
You know how a blinker works, right? That's not a blinker.
Nope.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Hazards are good. Yep. Brakes. Okay. I think you're golden, buddy.
Sweet.
Start her up. Just perfect. Perfect.
Alright guys, this is what came out of the clutch reservoir as we were bleeding it. So it's still coming out pretty muddy. It does drive, just the clutch could be better. What's up, yo-yo? Yeah, so here we go. We're gonna go take this thing on a second maiden voyage.
Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully this time we don't run out of gas. Yeah. Looks like these seatbelt buckles weren't made for this truck. Oh, strange.
Almost like that. Should maybe went backwards.
Yep, probably.
Might catch little weeds up there by you.
That's alright. I don't mind. Made it. Yeah, that little four-cylinder puts in a lot of work to not go too fast.
Yeah. So the steering wheel is a bit interesting.
It's right on point.
Right on point. It must be about 85 degrees off angle. Not quite 90, but real close. Pretty good, and I would say that the pug clutch is pretty drivable. Nice, especially for not having full brake pressure.
Yeah,
clutch pressure.
But we'll fix that once we get some more brake fluid and well, maybe.
70 miles an hour, but we're going about 60.
Give or take.
Give or take, but you'll have that. Gas first. You know, we're only touching the E.
Well, it depends on if you're flooring it or hitting the brakes.
Yes.
Well, we made it. Gas station's just right over there.
So as you can see, this thing is a full-on ripper now. A few things to do to tie up the interior yet. You know, we're still going to pull some parts off the other truck and put it on here. Let me know what you guys think would be a fun activity to do with this, whether it's a car show or haul something somewhere. Yeah, we'll give that a go. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and peace.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.